It's time once again for Two Canoes Hot Tip. Like me, you probably go to your home folder, documents, and download folders all day long. Get ready to speed up that process by over 2.3%. First, let's click on the desktop and bring the Finder to the front. Then click on the Go menu and see all the pretty keyboard shortcuts listed next to all the entries. Let me show you some. First, press Command-Shift-H and your home folder opens. H is for home. Whoa, that is sweet. Now press Command-Shift-A and the Applications folder opens. A is for Applications. It's like you're controlling the Mac with your mind. Now press Command-Shift-D and like a genie from a bottle, the Desktop folder opens. D for Desktop. Command-Shift-O and the Document folder opens. O is for Open. Press Command-Option-L and the Download folder opens. This one's a little harder. I remember this because in a browser, pressing Command-L goes to the URL bar in the browser. Now let's try Command-Shift-C, which opens up the computer level. C for computer. Let's make this even awesomer. Once you're in a folder, press Command-1, Command-2, or Command-3 to change the view on that folder. This has been a Two Canoes Hot Tip, and with Command-Shift-Q, I'm pressing return and logging off.